everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I am again with a new video. This time we make this a very beautiful 4x4 closure front lace wig. Density is 200%, length is 26 inch, made by 100% Indian cuticle aligned unprocessed hair, fringe wig. So it's a very beautiful constructed wig, 100% cuticle aligned hair. You can change the texture, you can color it, you can iron it, whatever. The weight of this wig is 235 grams, so it's full enough to give you the perfect look. And let me give you a 360 view, and then I will show you from the inside as well to give you the better idea. And this is the fringe in the front side, you can see that, and that you can see the quality of the hair, 100% Indian cuticle aligned hair. You can see that. If you see, the color is natural brown. Just have a look. You can see the density is really good till down, very full enough. You can see 100% unprocessed. Closure in the front side is free parting, so you can part it as per your choice. Middle parting or side partings is totally depend on you. That's why we use free parting closure to make this wig. Now let me show you the wig from the inside. So this is the view of the wig from inside. You can see on the front side we use 4x4 free parting closure, and we can make it with 5x5 and 6x6 closure as well. We have enough space, so depending on the order we make that. And this is the fringe which we make on the front side in the closure. This is Korean lace, natural brown. It goes also very good with the skin. Then these are the back side of the wig. It comes with the strap to adjust the size on your head, and the weft, we stitch the weft in a very symmetrical manner so that it will give you a very perfect balance once you install it on your head. And again, this is a glueless wig, so it's a very nice to wear and very easy to wear. You can see, and one more thing, you can see the density of the hair. If you see till down, just look at that. So it is very full enough till down. You can see that. And the hair is 100% Indian, no tangling and no shedding at all. So you can see, once you install the wig, it will look something like that. And as I told you, you can part it from any side. It's totally up to you. So if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates, and you can click on the I button to see more products, and you can share it with your friends, and comment me if you want to place your order, and rest of the details are in the description box. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I will join you very soon with the new creation from Kanika Impex Private Limited. Thank you so much.